If your car tires are bald like this, don't throw them away immediately. This man can change it so it looks like new again. First of all, the tires are washed so that the texture is not too hard and free from dirt. After that, the surface of the tire is flattened using a special machine so that it becomes evenly bald. A special layer is then prepared to be installed on the surface of the tire, with the aim that the tire tread pattern can be reprinted like new. Before installation, this layer is smeared with a special liquid and given a rope, possibly to ensure the layer sticks firmly. Next, adhesive glue is also applied to the top to make installation easier. After the new layer has adhered perfectly, the tire is put into a special printer to reprint the tread pattern.